To become a generative AI developer, blend theoretical knowledge, practical skills, and hands-on experience in AI. Focusing on generative models, follow this concise guide to navigate your path in generative AI development. 1. Obtain a strong foundation in mathematics and programming. Mathematics. Focus on linear algebra, probability, statistics, and calculus, as they're fundamental to understanding AI algorithms. Programming. Master programming languages, especially Python, crucial for AI development due to its vast libraries and frameworks. 2. Learn machine learning and AI basics. Courses. Take online courses or attend university programs covering machine learning and artificial intelligence basics. Key concepts. Understand machine learning algorithms, neural networks, supervised and unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, and other foundational concepts. 3. Specialize in generative AI. After mastering the basics, delve into generative models such as generative adversarial network scans, variational autoencoders phase, and transformers. Explore different applications of generative AI, such as image and video generation, natural language processing, and data augmentation. 4. Hands-on practice and projects. Projects. Undertake projects to apply generative AI to real-world issues, like generating new datasets, creating synthetic media, or crafting AI-based content tools. Open source. Contribute to open-source projects related to generative AI to gain experience and collaborate with the community. 5. Utilize AI frameworks and tools. Become proficient in AI and machine learning frameworks such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Keras. These tools provide the necessary infrastructure to build and train generative models. 6. Stay updated and network. Continuous learning. The field of AI evolves rapidly, so it's crucial to stay updated with the latest research, trends, and technologies in generative AI. Networking. Attend conferences, workshops, and seminars. Engage with the community through forums, social media, and AI-focused groups. 7. Build a portfolio. Create a portfolio showcasing your generative AI projects and contributions. Include detailed explanations and results, demonstrating your skills and understanding of the technology. 8. Seek professional opportunities. Look for internships, co-op positions, or jobs that focus on generative AI. Positions might be in research, product development, or applied AI roles in various industries. 9. Consider advanced education. Depending on your career goals, consider pursuing advanced degrees or specialized certifications in AI, which can deepen your expertise and improve your job prospects. 10. Ethics and responsibility. Understand the ethical implications of generative AI, such as the potential for creating misleading information or deepfakes, and commit to using AI responsibly. Follow these steps to establish a strong foundation, hone specialized generative AI skills, and pave the way for a successful career in this dynamic field.